earn a $3,000 crypto airdrop by simply playing this online multiplayer game. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can earn the FAR token airdrop, over $3,000 worth of it, by simply playing this game and completing the quests. Now, make sure you follow this video step by step and do the steps exactly as I do so you too can earn this airdrop. Also, it is exclusive joining this game, so make sure you scroll down into the description and use my invite codes below. So let us get right into the video. Before we do that, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe so we can bring more people into crypto and make more people earn airdrops. Now, first and foremost, what exactly is the FAR token? So Farcana is a game that we are going to really briefly look at the gameplay for over here. As you can see, it is a pretty cool game. So that game is an online multiplayer shooter, and if you play that game and simply complete the quests, which I'm going to show you by scrolling up over here, you will be eligible for this airdrop. And they've already raised $10 million. They are also backed by Animoca Brands, which is a huge venture capitalist firm in the gaming industry for crypto, so you can earn a lot of money. Animoca Brands is very reliable, as you can see over here. They're backed by Animoca, so I'm going to quickly open a new tab, and they are absolutely massive. They're a huge VC firm that everyone wants to be a part of. Okay, so Farcana is over here, multiplayer third-person shooter, and their airdrop is live. So all you have to do is complete these quests and start playing the game, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Now, first and foremost, what you're going to have to do is create an account on the Farcana platform and then submit your email. That is very, very easy, so you can go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, you simply need to create an OKX account, which is an exchange. And once you have that, you also have to screenshot and upload to prove that you have done it. Next, you simply do this, where you follow them on CoinMarketCap, Twitter, Discord server and YouTube channel. And one thing to remember here is that everything you're doing here is free, so you don't have to do anything about silly transactions or bridging ether. Everything is free that you're doing here. Next one, social activity. You like the post on X, retweet and add FAR into your bio. Now, I did that as well, but then I simply deleted it straight after the taking the screenshot, so you can do that too. The next thing is you simply download the game, upload a screenshot after you've played it, and then tell them your Farcana username. You have to at least play one game, so that's exactly what I did, and I'm going to play more later because it is a pretty fun looking game. But that's all you have to do, and then once you've done that, you just have to refer some friends to do it too, and that is it. So again, it is a really fun looking game that you guys have seen me just watch the gameplay footage for, and it does look phenomenal. Okay, so whilst I'm talking, we're just going to do that. Again, it has $10 million raised already. It is a good amount of funding, and there aren't that many people doing it at the moment, so you are early. And if you become an early adopter and you start playing the game early, you will be eligible for more money. Now, again, what is the FAR token? It's the utility token of the Farcana game and ecosystem. Of course, it allows you to get different battle pass style things, unique pets, in-game credits, etc. What will I get by completing missions? Of course, as you can see here, you will receive an airdrop of the FAR token, and that depends on the progress of accomplished missions, which again I've shown you are just over here. The missions. How can I receive my token? Again, it will be airdropped to your OKX wallet, which you have created. How long will it take? It will be 14 days after the end of the campaign. How long is the campaign? It will be to be confirmed, but I'd imagine it's sometime in Q1 2024. So that is really the end of the video. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and use those invite codes at the bottom so you can get in and start earning money. This is the Cash Creator signing off. Peace out.